Hi friends, this is Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making roasted figs in the air fryer. To make this easy recipe, we need fresh figs, sugar, and cinnamon, and our air fryer. So the first thing is I'm going to put some sugar and cinnamon on a plate. And I will mix sugar and cinnamon together. This mixture will be used for dipping the figs. The next step would be to cut the figs in half, dip in the cinnamon sugar mixture, and put in the air fryer basket. So let me take out the air fryer basket. And now I will cut each fig in half. So first I will cut off the stem and throw this out. Cut the fresh fig in half. Dip each half in cinnamon sugar mixture and put in the air fryer basket. So I will continue doing it with the rest of the figs. And I will put the figs facing up, so the sugar cinnamon mixture is facing up in the air fryer. Now all the figs are prepared in the air fryer and are put here in a basket in a single layer. So I will put the basket inside the air fryer. And now I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And we'll set the time for 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at our roasted figs. Look at these figs. They're so delicious, perfectly roasted and caramelized. So tasty and sweet. You're going to love these roasted figs. Super easy to make in the air fryer. For a printable recipe, please visit my site, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks, for more easy recipes. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.